What if we told you there's a phone with a battery so colossal that it can last for weeks, a camera that can see in the dark with actual night vision, and a body so rugged that it can withstand every type of stress? Sounds more like a device from 2050, right? Well, the future is here because this is what the FOSSiBOT F107 Pro is all about. The F107 Pro comes with the IP68 69K and military STD 810H certification. That's the full package when it comes to ruggedness. It's completely dust-proof, waterproof enough to handle full submersion, and can even withstand high-pressure, high-temperature sprays. Additionally, the military-grade rating indicates that it can be subjected to rigorous testing against drops, shocks, extreme temperatures, humidity, and altitude. In other words, there's a phone that refuses to quit, no matter where you take it. Now, just because it's rugged doesn't mean it's slow. Under the hood, the F107 Pro runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chip, and day-to-day tasks, multitasking, and even gaming are a walk in the park for this device. Additionally, it comes with 12 GB of RAM, expandable up to 30 GB with virtual RAM, and half terabyte of built-in storage. And if that's not enough, you can expand it all the way up to 2 TB via micro SD. It's like you are carrying an entire storage cloud in your pocket. And the screen? Up front, you're looking at a massive 6.95-inch, so almost 7-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's sharp, fluid, and great for streaming, browsing, or gaming. This is where the phone really reminds you that it's not just tough, it's also modern, standing neck to neck against the fragile Galaxies and iPhones. The battery? Now this is the main selling point. The 28,000 mAh battery, guys. Yes, not 2,800, 3 zeros. 28,000 mAh batteries. That's like 7 to 8 times larger than an average smartphone. To put it in perspective, you're getting up to 2,800 hours of standby time, 215 hours of talk time, and days of heavy use without worrying about a charger. And when it finally does run low, the 66 watts fast charging over USB-C gets you back on track quickly. On top of that, you get 10 watts reverse charging, so this phone can double as a power bank for your other devices on the go. So you got a phone and a power bank all in a single device. Great. And yeah, how can I not mention the cameras? So on the back, you get a 200 megapixel main camera with the optical image stabilization for sharp, vivid shots, a 50 megapixel macro lens for close-ups, and a 2 megapixel night vision sensor for black and white images in complete darkness. On the front, there's a 32 megapixel selfie camera that handles both selfies and video calls with ease. To add icing on the cake, FOSSiBOT has added different modes, including underwater, night scene, pro mode, and more. So you got plenty of tools to work with no matter the situation. And in case you're stuck in the dark, the F107 Pro also comes with a built-in torchlight that has a 50-meter beam distance. So if you are hiking, camping, or walking in the field at night, you don't need a separate torch because this phone has got you back. Finally, let's round it out with the connectivity. The F107 Pro supports global 5G, 4G LTE, 3G, and even 2G. You also get dual SIM slots, NFC for contactless payments, and of course, the latest Android 15 software experience. Not sure will they and when they will update it to Android 16 in the future. At the end of the day, this isn't just a smartphone, it's a survival tool that also happens to do everything you'd expect from a modern device. If durability and battery life are your top priorities, this might just be the ultimate rugged phone for you. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episodes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button of Tech Utopia YouTube channel and daily test it. And until next time, ma'as salama. Peace out.